So students, another thing I want to explain you today is asking about the age. How old are you? Then how old is he? Like, and how to say, like, I'm 25, 35, and so on, so on. Or he is, like, let's say 20 years old, and so on. So this is the age in Turkmen language. First of all, this is the pronouns. These are the pronouns. Men, fin, ol, bid, fid, olur. I, you, then all, he, she, it. We don't have genders in Turkmen language, so that's why it's a he, she, it. Bid, we, fid. You, plural, and also like we use it in order to show the respect, fid, and olur is they. Näçe is a how, as I said in the previous grammar, is a how many, how much, like Näçe. We ask Näçe about the numbers. We ask this question in order to know the number. So the word yaş, yaş is an age. These suffixes the possessive suffixes of these pronouns. These suffixes are possessives of these pronouns. For example, min, Näçe, yaşım, that means my age. And these suffixes, da, nda, these are suffixes of valt orunduşum. Valt orunduşum is a locative case. We call it locative case in English language, and we use it in order to express the time and the place. So age is also, let's say, the time, and that's why we use this here. So let me ask myself, how old am I? Men Näçe ýaşyňda. Men Näçe ýaşyňda? So men 25 ýaşyňda. Just instead of Näçe, we put the number, and that's all. Fin Näçe ýaşyňda. Fin 33 ýaşyňda. So again, the difference between min and fin is the possessive suffixes menin yaşım, fenin yaşın. That's all. Ol Näçe ýaşynda. Ol 41 ýaşynda. As you may notice it, here we have da, but here we have nda. Nda, another version of valt orunduşum, we add after the third person suffix. Is a possessive suffix of the third person. Ol is a third person. That's why we add the da. If you have questions about these possessives, we had a video about this. You can take a look in all our videos. So, ol Näçe ýaşynda, ol 41 ýaşynda. Biz Näçe ýaşymyzda. So, ymyz means our. Biz 30 ýaşymyzda. Siz Näçe ýaşyňyzda? Siz 19 ýaşyňyzda. And the last one, but not the least, olur Näçe ýaşynda? Olur 45 ýaşynda. So this is about how we can ask about the age, or if someone asks us, we can reply. Men, for example, we can say 25, 45, and 15 yaşımda. The difference between question and answer, just instead of the question word, we add number, and then we have the answer to this question. That's all. Thank you so much.